How to use Best Buy credit card for financing? Well, to use a Best Buy credit card for financing, first you want to open up Best Buy. Then what you want to do is you want to select special financing at checkout on qualifying purchases, that is typically over $299 plus product, to pay over 12 to 24 months without interest. So if you have already added item to the cart, head over to your cart. Then once you head over to the cart, you want to proceed to head into checkout, and then here if the purchase is eligible, if you're eligible for it, then you'll find the option, financing option, here on the checkout page. Now Best Buy offers no interest if paid in full within specific promotional or everyday periods, that is example 12, 18 or 24 months. If the balance is not paid off by the deadline, interest is charged retroactively from the purchase date. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.